Hello everyone. For this session we will discuss few 2 marks problems on 3D geometry. These are the very important problems and also repeated problems in IP board examination. So ఈ వీడియోని స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. 99% దీంట్లో ఏదో ఒక క్వశ్చన్ కంపల్సరీగా వస్తుంది. Without delay, coming to the question. First, model 1. So here model 1 problems are based on the distance between 2 points formula. First one, find the x if the distance between 2 points is 9 units. See the solution. So what are the given points? So let the given points consider as a 5 comma minus 1 comma 7 and the point b is x comma 5 comma 1 and also given distance between 2 points is what? 9. That means AB equals to 9. You know the distance between 2 points formula, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So which is equals to what? 9. So clearly the point A considered as x1, y1, z1 and point B is x2, y2, z2. Now you can replace x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 with given numbers. Now first, which is square root of x2 minus x1, that is x minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1. What is y2? 5 minus of minus 1, that is 5 plus 1, 6. You can write as 6 square plus z2 minus z1, that is 1 minus 7. So we know 1 minus 7 is minus 6 whole square, again 6 square, or we can write minus 6 whole square also, which is equals to what? 9. Now squaring on both sides. Clearly square root get cancelled on left hand side and right hand side, 9 square. So which is x minus 5 whole square, 6 square, 36, again minus 6 whole square, minus 6 into minus 6, 36, which is equal to right hand side, 9 square. Therefore x minus 5 whole square, which is equals to 81 minus 36 plus 36, 72. We can simplify this. X square, which is of the form a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, that is 5 square is 25, minus 2ab, that is 2 into x into 5, 10x. So here which is 81 minus 72, 9. We can send it left hand side. X square minus 10x, 25 minus 9 plus 16 equals to 0. Clearly, which is a quadratic equation in terms of x, to find the factors. For finding the factors, we can take the coefficient of x square and constant and multiplying both of them 1 into 16. So we can find the two numbers whose product is 16 and whose sum is what? Middle term, that is minus 10. So clearly the numbers are what? Minus 8 into minus 2 plus 16 and minus 8 to minus 2 minus 10. So you can write minus 10 as minus 8x minus 2x. So that is x square minus 8x minus 2x plus 16 equals to 0. From the first two terms x is common. You will get x minus 8. From the second two terms minus 2 is common, x minus 2/8. Again x minus 8 common. So So which is x minus 8 into x minus 2 equal to 0. Product of the terms are 0. Therefore x minus 8 is 0, x minus 2 is 0. X is equals to 8 or x is equals to 2. Now second question. Show that the points 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2 form an equilateral triangle. So here we know that equilateral triangle means all the three sides of a triangle are equal. Then only the given triangle is equilateral triangle. See the second solution. Let us consider the given points A 1, 2, 3 and B 2, 3, 1 and C 3, 1, 2. Now we can consider a triangle. For example, this is the triangle ABC. Here we need to show this triangle is equilateral, means all the three sides are equal. That means distance between AB is equals distance between BC equals distance between AC. So first we can find distance between AB. So here AB is equals to. So we know the distance between 2 points formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. First, difference of the x coordinates, x2 minus x1, that is 2 minus 1, 1 square. Next, y2 minus y1, 3 minus 2, again 1 square, plus 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 whole square. Clearly what is AB? AB is equals to 1 square is 1, again 1 square 1, minus 2 square is 4. So clearly AB is equals to what? Root 6. Similarly you can find distance between B and C. So that is BC equal to, so again we can use the same formula, x2 minus x1, 3 minus 2, 1 whole square, y2 minus y1, 1 minus 3, minus 2 whole square, plus z2 minus z1, 2 minus 1, 1 square. So this is also same, BC equal to root 6. Similarly you can find either C or AC, anything. AC. Again square root of, we can use same formula, difference of x coordinates, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 square. Next 1 minus 2, minus 1 whole square, plus 2 minus 3, minus 1 whole square. So this is also same, 4 plus 1 plus 1, so root 6. So clearly all the three distance, that is AB, BC, which is equals to AC, which means all the three sides are equal. Therefore the given triangle is an ఈక్విలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్. ఇంకా ఎవరైనా మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకునే వాళ్ళు ఉంటే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. సో నెక్స్ట్ కంటిన్యూషన్, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 3. షో దట్ ద పాయింట్స్ ఆర్ కొలీనియర్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ మోడల్ 2. సో విచ్ ఈజ్ మోడల్ 2? సో దిస్ ఈజ్ మోడల్ 2 ఈజ్ based on collinear. Okay, see at the given points. Third solution, let us consider the given points A 1, 2, 3 and B 7, 0, 1 and C minus 2, 3, 4. So here we know that if the determinant of x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3 equals to 0, then we can say that the 3 points are collinear. So let us consider the given points are x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3. So we can find the determinant of x1, y1, z1. Next x2, y2, z2. and x3, y3, z3. So we can find this determinant. So which is equals to, substitute the values. First x1, y1, z1, 1, 2, 3. Next 7, 0, 1. Next minus 2, 3, 4. So we can find the determinant of this. First we can assign the symbols plus, minus, plus. So 1 into, delete corresponding row, corresponding column. That is 1 into, what are the elements? 0, 1, 3, 4. After deleting the row and column, we can do cross multiplication. 0 into 4, 0 in between minus, 3 into 1, 3. Second one minus 2. Again deleting corresponding row, corresponding column. Cross multiplication. 7 into 4, 28 in between minus, minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Minus into minus, plus 2. Next plus 3 into. Again delete corresponding row, corresponding column. Cross multiplication. 7 into 3, 21. Minus, minus 2 into 0, 0. So which is 0 minus 3. Minus 3, 28 plus 2, 30, 30 into 2, 60, 21 into 3, 63. Clearly it becomes 0. So determinant is 0. So we can say that the given points are collinear. So similarly we can do the question number 4 and 5. So these are also similar to question number 3, just two values only different. So try the question number 4 and 5. So next model 3, which is based on centroid and centroid of tetrahedron. So next question number 6, find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are given. See here the given points. So what are the given points? A 5, 4, 6 and B 1, minus 1, 3 and C 4, 3, 2. Here to find centroid of the triangle. So here we know that centroid formula, that is what, G, which is equals to, formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Next y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Next z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. So let us consider the given points are x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2 and x3 y3 z3. So just substitute the values. First x1 plus x2 plus x3. So add the first coordinates. 5 plus 1 plus 4 divided by 3. And second coordinates 4 minus 1 plus 3 by 3. And third coordinates 6 plus 3 plus 2 divided by 3. Clearly which is 5 plus 1 plus 4, that is 10 by 3. 4 minus 1, 3 plus 3, 6 by 3. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11 by 3. 3 ones, 3 twos. Therefore the centroid G is equals to 10 by 3, 2, 11 by 3. So next question number 7. Find the centroid of tetrahedron. So clearly one more coordinate added in the centroid, that is x4, here y4, here z4. So remaining as it is. So these are the given points. To find centroid of tetrahedron. So here we know the centroid of tetrahedron formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. Total 4 coordinates. So divided by 4. Next y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 again divided by 4. Next z1 plus z2 plus z3 plus z4 divided by 4. So this is x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2 and x2 y2 z2, x3 y3 z3, x4 y4 z4. So add the first coordinates. 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. Second coordinates. 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 4. Third coordinates. Minus 4 minus 2 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 4. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel. So which is 2 minus 1, 1 by 4. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5. 15 by 4 minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 by 4. So this is the centroid of tetrahedron. So next question number 8. Find the coordinates of the vertex C of triangle ABC if its centroid is given origin and vertices of A and B are also given. Here the given points A 1 comma 1 comma 1 and B minus 2 comma 4 comma 1. Here to find C. So let us consider C point is x3 y3 z3 and A is what? x1 y1 z1 and B is x2 y2 z2 and also given G. Centroid is what? Origin. Origin means 0 comma 0 comma 0. So here we know that centroid formula G is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Next y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Next z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. So the given centroid is origin, that is 0 comma 0 comma 0, which is equals to, add the x coordinates, x1 plus x2 plus x3. x1 is 1, x2 is minus 2, x3 only, divided by 3. Next y1 1, y2 4, y3 as it is by 3. Next z1 1, z2 1, z3 as it is divided by 3 and equating the x coordinate, y coordinate as well as z coordinate. So what is the x coordinate? 0 equals to 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus x3 by 3. Cross multiplication. Minus 1 plus x3 is equals to 0. From this x3 is equals to what? 1. Next second coordinate. 0 equal to 1 plus 4, 5 plus y3 by 3. Again cross multiplication. 5 plus y3 is equals to 0. From this y3 is equals to minus 5. And last coordinate. 0 is equal to 1 plus 1. 2 plus z3 by 3. Cross multiplication. 2 plus z3 is equals to 0. From this z3 is equals to minus 2. Therefore the point C is what? x3 y3 z3. x3 you got 1, y3 minus 5, z3 minus 2. See the question number 9. These three are the vertices and 4, 2, 2 is centroid of tetrahedron. To find what? Fourth vertex. So let us consider the given points. First point is A, 3, 2, minus 1. Second point B, 4, 1, 1. Third point C, 6, 2, 5. To find fourth vertex, let us consider fourth vertex is D. Here A is what? x1, y1, z1, B is x2, y2, z2, and C is x3, y3, z3. Let us consider the fourth vertex D is x4, y4, z4. And centroid of tetrahedron is what? 4, 2, 2. We know that centroid of tetrahedron. So what is the formula? Which is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 by 4. Similarly, y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 by 4. So next, z1 plus z2 plus z3 plus z4 divided by 4. Now, given that centroid of tetrahedron is 4, 2, 2, which is 4, 2, 2 equals to, add the all x coordinates, y coordinates, z coordinates. First x coordinates 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus x4, and add the y coordinates 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus y4, 1 plus 2 plus y4 divided by 4, and z coordinates, last coordinates, minus 1 plus 1 plus y plus z4 divided by 4. Now which is 4, 2, 2, which is equals to, add these values, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 6, 13 plus x4 divided by 4, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus y4 by 4. Next, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 5 plus z4 by 4. Equating the x coordinates, 4 equal to 13 plus x4 by 4. So cross multiplication from this, 13 plus x4 is equals to what? 4 into 4, 16. Therefore x4 is equal to 16 minus 13, 3. Next, y coordinates, 2 is equals to 5 plus y4 by 4. From this cross multiplication, 5 plus y4 is equals to 2 into 4, 8. So y4 is equal to 8 minus 5, 3. Similarly, z coordinate also same, that is z4 is equals to 3. Therefore, the required point is, that is fourth vertex is 3, 3, 3. Find the fourth vertex of the parallelogram whose consecutive vertices are given. So here, this is the parallelogram. Let us consider the points or vertices A, B, C, D. The given consecutive vertices means this is A and this is B and this is C. So let us consider the given points. A is 2, 4, minus 1. And B is 3, 6, minus 1. And C is 4, 5, 1. So A point is x1, y1, z1, B point x2, y2, z2, C point x3, y3, z3. So you can find fourth vertex, that is D. So once you observe here the point A is what? x1, y1, z1, and point B is x2, y2, z2, and point C is x3, y3, z3. So for finding the vertex D, so one of the formula is there. So that is D equal to. So here D is connected to which vertices? A vertex, C vertex. So add the x coordinates, y coordinates, z coordinates for the connected vertices. That is what? x1 plus x3. Next, add y coordinates, y1 plus y3. z coordinates z1 plus z3 and subtract the opposite vertex, that is minus x2 here, minus y2 here, minus z2. Now D is equals to fourth vertex, add x1 plus x3, 2 plus 4, 6 minus x2, 3, y1 plus y3, 4 plus 5, 9 minus y2, 6, z1 plus z3, minus 1 plus 1, minus z2, that is minus of minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Therefore the fourth vertex D is 6 minus 3, 3, 9 minus 6, 3, 3 and 1. So next question number 11. The given points A is minus 2, 3, 4 and B is 1, 2, 3. You have to find the ratio in which XZ plane divide the line joining AB. So here we know that the required ratio. So what is the required ratio? Here which axis is missing? Y is missing. So the formula should be minus y1 is to y2. So this is x1, y1, z1 and this is x2, y2, z2. Now what is the answer? Minus y1, that is minus 3 is to y2, 2. So similarly question number 12. Here the given points A 2, 4, 5 and B is 3, 5, minus 4. Clearly the required ratio is, see here YZ plane is given. Which axis is missing? X axis. So the required ratio is minus x1 is to x2. So this is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. So therefore answer is x1 minus 2 here, x2 3. So minus 2 is to 3 is the answer. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే so please like. If you have any doubts in this chapter, please comment. For next session we discuss more chapters.